Hello. Come on out. You want to collect the eggs? All right, up next. CTE works for me. What excites me about this environmental science program is the fact that we're not just constantly sitting in the classroom reading textbooks about what we need to do, what we should know.
What excites me about the program is that we get to learn more about our surroundings. Like, I've never known so many plant or animalia before.
I like being outdoors, but also it helps me be more confident.
We're actually learning it firsthand. Like, we're working with the chickens, raising them from since baby till teens.
Chickens, they know how to run.
We're also like working with the plants, like raising them the type of environment they need to be in.
3-leaf plants or anything yellow, don't touch those. They're poisonous.
I joined this program because I enjoy being outside, and I thought it would be good for me to really learn about the planet I live on.
It inspires me and brings more thought to what I do in my daily life.
It feels like I'm contributing to my planet and that I'm creating something new out of it.
I now understand, hey, what happens when we get droughts? Or what happens when famine occurs?
We go on a lot of field trips. We also visit a lot of colleges, and we learn about how that program is within those colleges and how we can get like scholarship money from it.
There was an internship that I was a part of. It was the 4-H internship that I had a lot of fun on.
Well, it definitely inspired me to like look into pre-veterinary and science, which was not something I would have thought to get.
I want to be a horticulturalist. I'm gonna be able, from this program, to finally get a foothold and meet new people who are also big bosses in the society above.
A good candidate for this program is anyone who likes to work hands-on, who has a sense of feeling to like love animals, and also just interesting about science.
And someone that can well collaborate with others.
If you're considering this program, just do it.
It's actually extremely cool.
It showed me a newfound sense of confidence that I have in myself.
Please join. You'll meet a lot of new people and a lot of new things.
CTE works for me.